Hi students, today I'm going to explain to you chapter number 7, which is assembling drawing. As usual, I want to show you the learning outcome of this chapter at the beginning. You will see it on my right side. The learning outcome of this chapter is the student will be able to understand the feature of the assembling drawing. On my left side, you will see the content of this chapter. First, introduction. Second, the working drawings, and the detailed drawings, and assembling drawings. Now I'm moving to the slides and the details. Okay guys, let me now present the slides of this chapter, which is the assembly drawing. And the topics already I show you what are the topics that include. In introduction, I want to define a few terms. What is the meaning of working drawings? It is a set of drawing used during the work of making a production, and this set is consist of two parts: detailed drawing and assembly drawing. The definition of detailed drawing: it is a multi-view representation of a single part, individual part, and we have to show the dimensions and all the notes. And already we know what is the dimensions means and what is the note mean before a few classes, and where we have to put it. The assembly drawing is a drawing of various parts of machine, of structure, of building, of whatever we are going to draw in their relative working position, locations, as you see here. So here the detail of individual part, and once we want to assemble, we have to put each part in its correct position. What is the purpose of all of them? The purpose of detailed drawing is to convert means the information and instruction for manufacturing the part. So I will convey the information that have been drawn on sheet or on paper and the instruction to real part. The purpose of assembly drawing is to convey a completed shape of the product and overall dimension, all the details, convey the relative position of each part and the functional relationship among various components. So I will convey all of them to real part. Okay, the detailed drawing. Some information in detailed drawing should be included on the sheet, on the paper, or on the software that I'm using for drawing. General information should be included, like title block. Parts information also should be included. The part information like shape description, size description, and specification I'm going to show you in detail. General information like the name of the company, title of the drawing. What is the title? The title, for example, spare the part of engine or building or whatever, any part that you draw. So this is the title of a drawing. Side view of the engine of Proton, for example, and so on. Or if it is individual part, side view of, or left side view of carburetor, and so on. Also, I have to show the drawing sheet number, name of a drafter, who draw it, the name of this engineer, and the name of the checker, who is the boss of this company, or I mean the higher level of drafter. For example, me is the drafter and my boss is the checker. So all of the names should be included. Relevant dates of action, when we have drawn, when he have checked, and when the approved, and etc. Revision table, units, scale, method of production, all those information should be included. For the parts information, we have to include also like shape, What is the shape? Is it 3D? Is it side view, left side view, right side view, top view, and so on, or orthographic drone? And the size, that means the dimension, and any tolerance, and we know what is the tolerance, plus minus 2 mm. I draw it, for example, and I have shown the dimension, but I have to give the tolerance, which is already we mentioned, plus minus x millimeter. Specification also, the part number, name, and so on. Type of the material used, because sometimes in the same part we have various material. Like, can you imagine if we draw the car engine, we have a different type of material: steel, aluminum, plastic, and so on. So we have to specify each material name. And also any general notes should be included: heat, and all of those should be. Here is just the example of the sheet and where we have to put the information. As you see here all the completed dimensions and orthographic drawings in this place. And here should be part number, part name, material, and so on. Notes like units, any fillet, any fillet, and here the title block. I have example here. Let me show you the example. As you see here the tail, just now we saw title of the block, and the notes, details, and the names, everything should be here. Orthographic view, dimension with tolerance, everything that I just now explained. Thank you very much for your listening. I hope I gave you a good image for what we call assembly drawing. Okay, students, thank you very much for the listening and for your time. Please, any difficulty to understand what I explained, please don't hesitate to come to my office. And all of you know where is my office. Most welcome anytime during the consultation time. Thank you very much.